The difference between a video people scroll past and the one they remember? It's one word: emotion. Hey there, I'm Weezy, and I help people just like you find confidence on camera through storytelling that connects. Because when your story carries emotion, people don't just watch, they feel it. People forget facts, but they remember how you made them feel. That's why great stories are anchored in emotion: joy, fear, excitement, relief. If you just add one emotion to your story, it becomes unforgettable. Let me share a personal story. It was 2008. The housing market had crashed. Businesses were closing, and I had just shut mine down. One warm evening, my husband and I were sitting out on our deck, sipping some wine, talking about our sons. They were both young men at crossroads trying to figure out what to do next. Do they go back to school, find jobs? They were making large, big life choices. I remember saying to him, I understand how they feel because I'm lost too. I knew what it was like to feel the unsure, scared, and full of self doubt. And that's when he looked at me and said two words I'll never forget: change it. I blinked. I actually laughed a little because at that moment I was pouring my heart out. And he just said, change it. But something about those words stuck. Within weeks, I enrolled in my community college to study digital design. And that's where I discovered my passion for video storytelling. 2 years later, I launched what would eventually become Weezy Media Productions, combining creativity, connection, and a story in a whole new way. That moment, that emotionally charged conversation on the deck completely changed my life. And that's why I believe emotion is at the heartbeat of every unforgettable story. Here's a simple hack. Before recording, pick one emotion you want your viewer to feel: nervous, energized, inspired. Shape your story around that feeling and watch the difference. To help you do this, I've created the free story map download that guides you through choosing emotions and structuring your story. You can grab it using the link in the comments. In the next video, we'll start building your digital legacy using simple clips you can record today. Stay tuned. Your story deserves to be remembered. Oh, P.S. One more thing. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you never miss a video as it hits the airwaves. It's usually every Wednesday because it's kind of like Wednesday with Weezy for any new content. So have fun, everybody, and go ahead. And oh, yeah, I have one more tiny favor to ask. Could you just go ahead and share this with one or two people who you think might benefit from my playlist of these videos so that they can go ahead and subscribe? You can all learn together.